Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to play video from photo to upload. Okay, you see first. Yeah, you see, I play video in upload. Yeah. Okay, you see my upload seriously. My upload seriously. GPS LTE. Okay, you can check this one. Yeah, upload seriously. Yeah, how to play video on Apple Watch. Okay, let's start together. Okay, first you open your phone and then you go to YouTube. Yeah, I search cartoon 4K short video. Okay, and then I need to place this video on Apple Watch. Now okay, I click share and copy link, and then I go to black hole. Yeah, black hole, and then I click pass from YouTube. Yeah, downloading. Yes, already. Go to photo, you see this video. Yeah, and then how to place this video to Apple Watch. Okay, let's go. Then you go to Messenger. Yeah, you find to your friend, you share to your friend or yourself. Okay, I send to myself. Facebook Messenger, I click photo, and then I send video. Just wait a moment. Okay, this video. Okay, now you check your Apple Watch. Yeah, and then click Messenger, and then click. Yeah, you see this video. Okay, now you see Okay, now already placed in my Apple Watch. Okay, thank you guys, hope you guys understand about this video, and hope you guys like, share, subscribe for me. Okay, thank you, bye bye.